We are at Rock Gap. Come on, Bailey. Fresh Ground is setting up to do his magic for dinner. For the groupies, for the groupies feeding. Hey, AT.
That's a big tree.
That's a big tree. Come here, Bailey.
Oh,
come here,
Bailey.
come here.
Oh. That's for Bailey.
Hello,
oh,
Af.
She did.
She did her, put her paw up. Good job. All right, let's go. It's point 2 to Rock Gap Shelter. So we're just gonna hike up to the shelter and then back down. Give Bailey a little AT time. Give us a little AT time. Well, this is Rock Gap Shelter. Sherry and I were wondering if we came here. I don't think we ever even came down here. There's flat spots like for tent, a little bit up in that area and over here. This doesn't look familiar at all. I don't think we stayed here. Stairs to the privy. Somebody left a walkie-talkie. Somebody left a walkie-talkie. Yeah, there was a privy. I saw up on a hill. Right down there is the privy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right down there. Here, let me see. I can take Bailey. So, I'm gonna go check out the privy. Nope, Bailey's gonna sniff something. Yeah, I don't think we even came down to this shelter. Ooh, careful, Bee. Get your paw stuck. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it is a nice one, huh? Knock, knock. Privy tour. Here we go.
Pretty good.
All right.
Oh, that's cool.
They block one off.
Yeah, they have that on the hinge?
Yes.
That's cool. I don't remember seeing that before.
All right,
That's a cool
let's go back down to the shelter. Fresh Ground's feeding us dinner again. Look at this. Got some Cajun rice thing going on here. Got some salmon. A big old salad. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
I think fish is digging it.
Cajun rice.
Fish is liking the fish. That's awesome.
Cajun rice. Look inside the...
Big old salad. Tofu for the vegetarians.
And I'll make you a little bit of
pot of rice.
We need like a hot
Oh man.
like a soy
Wild. Absolutely wild. He's amazing. He is just absolutely amazing.
You got, if we had some
you.
hot sauce, that would be awesome, but we'll be okay.
Day 2 of being around Fresh Ground here.
They're gonna get warm in the van. Oh, grab your plate.
They got plates. They're sitting in the van with their plates. Look at this.
One of those is yours.
Look at this view. Look at this view. Oh man. Nice. Real nice. That is so awesome. So southbound direction is that way. These guys had a good night last night, and they're getting a special treat for breakfast. Ooh boy, what an experience! This is great. Okay, so that's Tim in front of us. Hi, Tim.
We just met him in the Walmart parking lot.
We're going to his house. He approached us because he wanted to know about the van and what we did, because he has a Ford high roof extended, and he had all kinds of questions. And we said, oh, you want to come in and look? So he looked around and he was all excited. So he said, well, I've got one. I said, well, you know, watch our videos. I gave him a card. And I said, please contact us. We'd like to keep in touch with you. And we'd like to see your van sometime. He says, well, how about now? So off we go. We're going to Tim's house.
Going to Tim's house. Which is pretty much
5 miles. Turn left onto Patton Road.
which is pretty much the same place we just came from.
It pretty much is. It's pretty darn close.
Yep, so we're heading back the same way.
Yep.
That's funny. Why not? All right, well, we just looked at Tim's van. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
He's a craftsman.
Well, first of all, we survived the meeting with the random guy at his house in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, he's a craftsman, like you said. He's a woodworker. We walked in his garage in his shop, and we both kind of saw some clamps and stuff. And Sherry peeked in a room, and we went,
Oh boy.
"You're a woodworker." So
he's got all the things.
yep, he's done a beautiful job on his van. Same van as ours, except it's a dually, and he's got a lot of really cool things in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Glad he said
Nice.
hi. I mean, he just approached us at Walmart.
Just invited us up to his beautiful property.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Really
so
nice.
he hiked the Appalachian Trail, so we have that in
Oh, I
common
forgot
with
his
him.
trail name.
Oh, I forgot his trail. He'll get in touch with us.
Yeah,
we'll get his
ask him
trail
what
name.
is.
So he's through hiked the Appalachian Trail, so we had that in common. We talked trail, and he was excited that we met Fresh Ground, and he knows who Fresh Ground is. And
But
so
wow.
yeah, wow.
Wow, he's done a lot of work in that van.
Yep. So I think we're going to be on our way to the Asheville area.
Yeah, we're just gonna kind of play it by ear here, see what
happens.
figure out a plan here.
Yeah, I don't know. It's noon now. We need to find a place for lunch. There's a park right down the street that we found. Maybe we'll park there for a little bit and have
Maybe we
lunch.
should go there.
Okay,
Let's do that.
we'll do that. Camp Cracker Barrel. Once again, folks, we're here in Flat Rock, North Carolina, which, sorry, April, is only about 30 minutes from Batcave. Whoops.
We're tired.
We are really
Pulled
tired.
in.
Yep,
We had a big bowl of soup.
yep. Yeah, we've been here about an hour, I guess. We ate dinner. Bailey's got her dinner, getting ready to go.
Leftover bean soup from
From Nielsa, yeah, thank you, Nielsa. Oh,
Had in the freezer since Boston.
man, that was good. It was
So good. We're so full.
No, man. Yeah, so we're here for the night, and then we're going to be in Batcave tomorrow visiting April and Cheryl. Excited for that. Had a wonderful couple days with Fresh Ground. That was pretty amazing. Amazing that he actually let us do something.
I know. You actually graduated to coffee making.
I graduated to coffee making. Thank you, Fresh Ground. I graduated to coffee making.
You did. That's quite the accomplishment.
Jumped in on that. Yeah, he's a one-man show, and he does that all by himself, successfully. Gourmet meals. When he's in a bubble of northbound hikers, you know, he's feeding I don't know how many hikers. It's just amazing. So thank you, Fresh Ground, for letting us hang out with you for a couple days. That was definitely a highlight of our trip.
Absolutely.
We've got a big highway right next to us, as we usually do at Cracker Barrels, but we're good.
I think it's fine.
I'm tired. I don't care. All right, we're gonna do our things and
Call it a night.
call it a night. So good night. Bye. Batcave tomorrow.
Yay!
What you're looking at here is Morse Park in Lake Lure, North Carolina. Let's come around here. Chimney Rock is up in that area. We are here, that close to Batcave.
Right down the street.
Yep. We stopped here to let Bailey run and to do a couple things, but we're almost April and Cheryl's. I'm
Yeah.
excited to see him. She said it's been a year, but it hasn't been a year. We were just here in like February, mid-February. So yeah, truck.
Look at those trees behind us.
I know. This is really beautiful. Yeah, look at the colors. Look at the colors. Okay.
I said it's like a drinking game on the video. Like every time we say, "Oh my gosh, look at the colors."
We should drink. Yeah, this is spectacular. We're so happy to be here for for this part of the end of the fall season. These trees behind us are just vibrant and beautiful. We are gonna get in the van. We got a few things to do before we get to April and Cheryl, so we're gonna get in the van and take care of some stuff, and then we'll be to their house soon. Yeah, excited to see you guys. Alrighty, there's the van. We are in Bat Cave at April and Cheryl's place. Woohoo! We made it.
We made it.
Woo! Look at this. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh.
Never been here in fall.
Look at the colors. Drink. Sherry says it needs to be a drinking game because, you know, we've said, oh, look at the colors, you know, a gazillion times.
10 minutes. Look at the colors.
I know, this is so beautiful. So we're thrilled to be here. I don't know how long we're going to spend, at least a week.
Yep.
Depending, well, April's work schedule, we might do like 2 weeks because that'll give us 2 full weekends with her. So
We'll see.
We'll see what happens, but it's a gorgeous day. We're thrilled to be here. We're going to go spend some time with some friends and catch up. And
We're back on the river.
Back on the river. And they've got a lot going on. They made some changes to their place here that we're excited to see. We'll tell you about that later. But yeah, back on the river. So thrilled.
Look how blue the sky is today.
Yeah. Gorgeous day. Out for a day hike here with April. We are in a big bouldering area, so all of these large rock formations here all around us all present different challenges to climbers, and they come out here. It's a very popular area. I guess April says it's the most popular climbing area on the East Coast, just because of all the different levels of difficulty found in these rocks. So anyway, we're just out for a day hike. We've got Bailey and their dog Cooper with us, practicing videoing here with my phone because I think I'm going to transition to using my phone for a while. Oh wow, look at the tree growing into the rock right there. Oh, yeah. That's cool. And we got all these beautiful fall colors still. It's a gorgeous day. See the cliff way up there? Oh my gosh.
I could have gone the other way, but you moved the cave.
Cliff way up there. I want to see this tree and this rock here.
Overhang.
Oh wow. Hey bear. Look at that. That's neat. Look how that tree grew right into the rock. Nice. Okay. Again, just practicing for using my phone, doing some selfies. This is a beautiful, beautiful hike. I'll show you the scenery here around us. Look at that rock face up there. Really beautiful day for this.
Delightful.
Done with our hike. Just came out of the woods right there. Check out this view we've got here. Look at this view. There we go, that's better. See if we can get that in. Yeah. All right. Back to the car, gonna get some water. Calling it done. I'm gonna check map my run, see how far we went.